All right, boys and girls, today we've got some race car stuff going on. Come check it out. All right, so Alex just called and said he's on the side of the building with the sketchy trailer. Basically, what they did was, well, actually I don't know how they got it on the trailer, but it's sitting on pallets. So let's go get the trailer hooked up to the 550. Let's go see what this psychopath has done. It's gonna be a good time.
Looks like a scrap yard trailer.
Yeah, I know. Are they scrapping this thing? What in the world? Look at this. Hilarious. So, I've got with me here today the Sherpa Equipment Company race truck. This is their 4Runner that they run in, what's the King of the Hammers? Why can't I'm so bad about this. Ultra 4. This is the Ultra 4 truck that they run, and it is, well, they thrash it. They thrash this truck. So I'm going to be replacing basically all of this. Wait a second, what's this? What is that? Passenger driver, off, on. I hope I was allowed to mess with that. My bad. Got some S-Pod, Bantamex units in there. Got the pumper system for fresh air for their helmets. Got tons of dome lights and rock lights going on in here. I think it's a comms button. All kinds of goodies I got to dig into. Ripping out all of this old wiring though and replacing all of it. So got to go through and rip everything out, hook everything up. Here's the battery. It's going to go in a battery box right there. For now it's just bolted down. Yeah, lots to do. That's a broken wire. I wonder what the deal is with that. I got a lot to figure out on this thing. This is the way that they used to have all their switching stuff, was old school relays, and they always had issues, they said, which I believe, because this is something that I always encourage people to absolutely avoid doing, is systems like this with all the relays. And I mean, look, you got a pin coming out of this one here. There you go. That's good for it. But it's alright, because I'm going to get them all fixed up. Let's do some race car shit today.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with it who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you?
Hey, so you guys know how I like the SDHQ terminals, right? Well, on this vehicle, I have to run the power directly from the battery to the switch up front so the driver can kill the battery at any point. And it has to kill all power on the vehicle. It's part of race regulations and race rules. So the SDHQ terminals that I normally use have all these cool connecting points and stuff like that. That's what I recommend for you guys. But since I'm only allowed to really have 1 or 2 cables running off of this thing anyways, I'm gonna use the other SDHQ terminals. This is just the HD battery terminal kit, so they don't have all these cool connecting points and stuff like that. It's more of a mil-spec style, old school style terminal, and they're still sick. They still come with covers, and they're like much cheaper. I think they're like 90 bucks. So pick up a set on the website if you need them for an application like this.
I don't miss, I don't play none. I own this, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I eat steak with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bag. She shot till we drop. I just wake up, I don't say none. I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's a case one. I've been down too, like the day strong. I got summer toys for the summer boy. I keep drummer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise, I've been paranoid.
It is like day 4 or 5 with this thing. Day 4 I've been able to work on it. And for 3 nights in a row I've stayed up till 3:30 in the morning. And there's still stuff that's not done. And Alex is probably leaving where they're at in the weird city name they're in. Buford, I don't know what it's called. And I'm still not done. Like, there's been so much to do and so much to track down on this car. It's been insane. And all this just needs zip tied in. So this really isn't a problem at all that I'm not concerned about in the slightest. Fuel pump's hooked up. All this needs zip tied in. That's kind of what's going on back here. I can actually move all this stuff forward now because I'm done in the back of the car. The rock lights still aren't done. The S-pods still don't turn on unless it has over 12 volts. 12.8 volts, which is not an efficient number. I don't know why. I would have picked like 12.2 because every time I hook this battery up to the charger, it's like 12.5. So they can't turn on their fuel pumps. Oh, that's a radio. Fuel pump's on. Okay, good. It didn't spray fuel everywhere. It shouldn't have, but fuel pump works. The air pumper works. All that works. All the lights work. Wiring harnesses are ran for all that stuff. I don't even remember what I have to get done now. I gotta hook the siren up, which is a nightmare for some reason. It's got like 82 wires for no good reason at all. And then I go hook the air compressor and the front locker up. And then really I just need to do the air compressor, the front locker, the siren. Let's look at the list, shall we? Oh no, did it spray fuel up here? I smell fuel. Fuel pump's on. But I don't hear any dripping, so I think we're good.
Down here in South Denver, he's been busting away on our car for the last like 4 or 5 days. Probably put way too many hours into it. I think he's done enough like 4 hours of sleep. So we'll show you everything that he's done on the car so far.
I'm feeling myself.
And just like that, the 4Runner is leaving. Hey, what are these tires for? Why'd you bring me tires for a truck that has no axles?
Want to see the other one? Tongue weight, baby. This is
Because you put it on your sketchiest trailer?
Yeah. You know, when you borrow trailers from your employees. Yeah. This is what we get.
We're both just gonna watch you while we film.
I'm a big boy.
This is great.
Ruined my truck.
Hey, don't hit my wires. No, I'm kidding. I tucked everything away. That looks good. They should make a mount that looks like that.
Man.
You should put a tire like that when you race. Wow.
Max Y strap.
Look at that.
The shit.
It's almost not on a jack stand anymore.
She's in there pretty good.
Here, just go ahead and pull forward.
Bust it out.
Well, it's like past the point of... It's past the point of rising, so it's not going any higher than it is. And just like that... What'd you say?
So I'll probably lose a few zip ties on the highway, but...
Just like that, she's leaving. I'll see you in a week.
Short date.
I'll see you in a week. I love how quiet your diesel truck is.
Real man.
All the crunching zip ties.
Pretty bitchin' though. It looks really clean.
I think you just need LP9s.
LP sponsorship?
Get LP6s on the roof.
Ethan, LP6s on
You
the
can
roof?
fit 9 of them.
Fuck
Or
cab
no,
lights.
7.
LP9.
You fit 7 of the
Fuck
LP6s.
cab lights. Just do LP6s. Knock them on all the time.
Yeah. Those are really nice bars though. Bye. Oh, that tire spin though. Yeah, it's all ice back here.